is the incoming Deputy Governor, Kiambu County, and the Committee on the Assumption of Office of the County Governor of Kiambu. I welcome you all to witness the ceremony. In the circumstances, the ceremony is going to take a very short time, and I plead with you to keep the social distance throughout this ceremony. I wish to call upon Madam Joyce Wanjiku Ngugi.
I, Joyce Wanjiku Ngugi, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Kiambu County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office, and I'll do justice to all in accordance with the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
I now call upon you to